Hey guys, welcome back to Tenorshare AI channel. A few days ago, Anthropic officially launched Claude 3, claiming that its text performance comprehensively beyond the GPT-4. So in today's video, we are going to examine whether Claude 3 is indeed a GPT-4 killer, and how do we use it? Let's find out. There are three models in the Claude 3 model series, categorized by size into Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. The largest and most powerful Opus implements human comprehension and requires a $20 subscription. Sonnet replaces Claude 2.1 as the base model for chatting and is free to use. Haiku is the fastest replying model and implements conversations, but is not yet online, so let's look forward to it together. What exactly are the advantages of Claude 3 over GPT-4? Data from the official website shows that Claude 3 comprehensively outperforms GPT-4 on several benchmark ability tests, excelling in reasoning, math, coding, multilingual comprehension and vision. In addition to this, Claude 3 also supports 200K long text optimization, which means that Claude 3 is able to understand and generate long content in greater depth. So how should we use Claude 3? The first way is to log into the Claude 3 website, register, and start using Claude 3. In the dialog box, type in any question you want to ask, and he will answer it. If you need to import images or documents, simply drag and drop the files directly onto the page. For example, I can ask it to summarize the abstract of my paper for me. If you can't access the official website, you can resort to lmsys.org, another well-integrated platform for big models. Open the homepage of lmsys.org, click on Chatbot Arena, then click on Direct Chat. Here choose to use the model of Claude 3. Then you can start to talk with Claude 3. This is very convenient for AI beginners. That's it for today's video. If you have more questions about Claude 3, leave us a message in the comments section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.